Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on the channel. In today's video we're going to be taking a look at the physics question 25 from the 2020 external exam for the QCAA syllabus. Now if you have any questions at all during this video, you leave something in the comments and I'll try my best to answer it. If you need full access to the full external exam solutions, like the video solutions, link is in the description below, still up on YouTube. If you need a fresh external exam physics bundle pack, link is also in the description below. But otherwise, let's just get straight into question 25. So, mass has an average orbital radius of approximately 1.5 times the average orbital radius of the Earth. Calculate the time it takes Mars to orbit the Sun. Okay, so what we've got to understand about this topic here is pretty much what we're looking at. So we have the Earth. Now you don't need to know roughly where they are approximately, but we know that, let's say the Earth is here, Mars would be about here then, okay? So that's the radius, well not the orbital radius, so we'll say just say R1. This here would be 1.5 times by R1. Now the reason why we want to write it in terms of the other distance is to one, have less variables to deal with, and two, so we can use this formula here. So, if you have two objects orbiting the same body, the period squared divided by the distance between it and the orbiting body will be equal to a constant. So we can equate this for Earth equaling Mars as 1. So here we can have, say, something like this. So T1 R1 cubed equals T2 squared over R2 cubed. So in this situation here, we can say T1 can be, let's say, Earth, and let's say T2 is Mars. Now, a thing they won't tell you in this question here, but everyone should know it, is the time it takes to orbit the Sun from Earth. So time it takes to do one of those is 365 days, okay? So we already know that. So T1 is 365 days. Now, we actually already know what R2 is. R2 we said is 1.5 R1. So if we just chuck in all this information into this equation here, we're not going to have much actually to solve for, and you'll see why very shortly. So here T1 is 365, so 365 squared over the radius of the Earth. We'll just keep it like that. Not radius yet, the orbital radius, we'll just keep it as R, so we'll go R1 cubed equals the time it takes to orbit around the the Sun from Mars would be just still T2 squared. And here, this is where everything changes. The distance from Mars to the Sun is 1.5 R1 all cubed. So if we apply that cubed, technically we have this. We have 1.5 cubed times by R1 cubed. Now because we have it on both sides of the equation, on the denominator, we can actually cancel them out. So what we're left with is 365 squared is equal to the period, which is what we're trying to find, or squared over just a number. We can now solve for that. So we can multiply both sides by the 1.5 cubed, and then we can start solving for the T2. So here, move that up there. So here we have 365 squared times by 1.5 cubed equals T2 squared. We would calculate what that value is first. Now that'll probably be a decimal value, so we'll just calculate it. So 365 squared times by 1.5 cubed. So yeah, it's going to give us a pretty big number there. What I would do is, if you just want to save time, just put it all into the calculator. So we'd have to square root that side as well to get the actual period. So it'd be 365 squared times by 1.5 cubed, all under the square root. So if you chuck it into your calculator, you get approximately 670.54. Now this is in days because we put our thing in days, okay? Now they said to the nearest whole number, so it's actually going to be 671 because you've got to round that up. So you put 671. Now, does that make sense? Yes, it does, because it's further away. It's going to take a longer time to go around the Sun. Okay. Anyway, If you are unsure about that question, you need to study planet motion a little bit more. Otherwise, you might need the Physics External Exam bundle pack in the description below. Okay. Now, there may be a discount in the descriptions below. Maybe it takes 50% off. Who knows? If you need the full external exam solutions, link is up on YouTube still. If you need a question submitted, you can check out the forum below as well. Submit a question, I'll answer it, and I'll make a video on it. Okay. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.